This footage is being filmed on the new GoPro Mission 1 Pro in 1080p resolution at 960 frames per second. I just bought this camera. It's got a ton of new and improved specs and features, but in this video, I just want to try out the slow-mo capabilities that not only rival other action cameras on the market right now, but even other larger cameras. You're not gonna find another camera that can shoot at 960 frames per second in 1080p for less than $8,000. So this is a standout feature. It can also film higher resolutions at slower frame rates. It can do 8K at 60 frames per second, which I don't know if anybody is shooting at 8K, but it's nice that it can do it. And that means that the 4K gets a boost in frame rate as well. So the 4K is now a maximum of 240 frames per second. And I think this is the sweet spot. You've got a good resolution and really nice slow-mo. And then there's also the option to shoot 1080p at 480 frames per second. For the first time ever, we now have a 1-inch sensor in a GoPro, which obviously helps with low light, but you are still gonna need as much light as possible when you're filming at 960 FPS, just because there's only a very short duration for each frame to be exposed. So even on an overcast day, it's probably a little too dark if you're trying to get the best quality out of these super slow-mo clips. Now, as always, I had to go ahead and make a macro lens adapter. So this slides over the lens. You can put your macro lens in there, and then there's a threaded part that screws on the front. GoPro hasn't released an official macro lens, or really any lenses except for a couple of ND filters for this camera so far. But for now, I'll have a link to this macro lens adapter in the description. And I also designed a lens cap for this camera as well. Now, oftentimes the bitrate of your footage makes a bigger difference than resolution, and this can go all the way up to 240 megabits per second, so long as you're not in the super slow-mo. If you're shooting at 1080p at 480 frames per second, all the way up to 8K at 60 frames per second, you have that 240 megabit per second recording. This can film GoPro log with 10-bit color in all of the video options except for the super slow-mo. Now, the 960 frame per second mode is limited to just a 10-second clip. You only have access to 8-bit color with the built-in color profiles, and the bitrate drops down to 160 megabits per second. But it does still allow you to use the hyper smooth stabilization even at that high frame rate. If this is a camera you're interested in, there is a link for it in the description. You can check out some more of my videos over here, and I'll see you in the next one.